Hi, my name is Alex McLeod, and in this video I'll tell you why most Qigong is not Qigong. But before we begin, if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section down below. If you'd like to help support this channel, please leave a like, subscribe, and ring that bell icon for notifications. First, what do I mean by Qigong? Qigong means energy art, and it refers to a bunch of different exercises and arts from China. Traditionally, these arts used to be referred to collectively as Neigong, or internal art. It's a collection of many different practices that have many different aims. The one unifying trait of all arts that are called Qigong is that they are supposed to directly manipulate the body's energy. Now, almost all people who practice Qigong, aside from a few schools, don't manipulate the energy directly. We refer to practicing the Qigong forms without directly manipulating the energy as practicing Qigong as gentle physical exercise. In addition to that, there are 3 other ways to practice Qigong. You can practice it at the physical level as Qigong, that is, practicing at the physical level but still manipulating the body's energy in some way. You can operate at the energy level, which is to say that you directly manipulate the energy as your primary practice. And then the final way is to operate at the mind level, which is the highest level that you can operate at. The way most people practice Qigong is as a gentle physical exercise. The difference between genuine Qigong and gentle physical exercise is energy flow. The easiest way to turn genuine Qigong into gentle physical exercise is to fill the mind with thoughts and tense the muscles. To turn Qigong form practiced as gentle physical exercise into genuine Qigong, you must enter a meditative state and relax the mind and body. This is why the meditative state is so important when practicing Qigong or other energy arts. It's also why it's important to differentiate between skills and techniques. The skill of generating an energy flow within the body is much more important than getting the technique, the physical form, correct. To demonstrate this point, first I will perform a Qigong exercise as gentle physical exercise with perfect form. Then I will perform Qigong exercise as Qigong with really bad form. See if you can spot the difference. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section down below. And if you'd like to help support this channel, please like, subscribe, and ring that bell icon for notifications. In this video, we talked about genuine Qigong and the difference between it and gentle physical exercise. If you'd like to learn more about entering a meditative state, I have a free course at heartlotus.guru/meditation intro.